With Senate Bill 63 signed into law, Missouri became the last state in the nation to implement a statewide prescription drug monitoring program. The signed legislation establishes the Joint Oversight Task Force of Prescription Drug Monitoring to oversee the statewide collection of data regarding the prescription of controlled substances to patients within the state. Supporters of the legislation believe it has the ability to help reduce opioid addiction in Missouri.
I realize it's not a silver bullet, but PDMPs are a proven tool to fight the opioid epidemic across the U.S. 85% of heroin users start with an addiction to prescription drugs. Once your addiction is strong, you're not afraid to try things that once really seemed out of the question.
Senate Bill 63 limits access to the prescription database to only medical professionals, and it requires the database to be purged every 3 years. In addition, the newly signed law specifically prohibits prescription information from being used to deny firearm purchases. During debate, several lawmakers voiced their concern as to whether these types of databases are an effective approach to curbing opioid abuse.
All laws that we pass in this body should be under the pretense of the Constitution, and it should never subvert or overrule the Constitution for feel-good types of bills, legislation. We have 49 other states that are test cases for whether or not this sort of system works. 49 have failed. 49 still continue to fail, and we still continue to see an epidemic of these sorts of overdoses.
After being signed into law, Senate Bill 63 will go into effect on August 28th. Reporting from the state capitol, I'm John Pattison.